I'm excited to show you 3 incredible free AI tools that are simply mind-blowing. The first tool in particular is something I discovered recently, and it lets you create websites, or really any kind of project, in just a couple of seconds. I'm also going to demonstrate how I made a 200,000-word blog post in moments. Get started with. If you'd like access to my complete checklist that breaks down each tool step by step, plus a free course on how to use these tools to generate income, drop a comment, like, and subscribe. I'll make sure you get access to everything you need to start using these tools today. Now, I've tried hundreds of different tools, over 400 actually, and the ones I'll be sharing today truly stand out. 2 of them are brand new, so I'm thrilled to walk you through what they can do and how to use them. Let's dive into the first tool, Bolt.new. With Bolt, you can type in whatever you want, a mobile app, blog, website, and in seconds, it'll generate the code for you. Imagine asking for a website featuring the top AI tools. Just type that in, click Run, and it builds the code on the spot. In moments, you'll have a functioning site ready to deploy online. Once it's ready, you can deploy the site instantly and view it live. This platform is like a ChatGPT, but focused on coding. It's crazy powerful, especially since it eliminates the need for any coding experience. Plus, you can make edits just like in any other AI interface. There are optional credits for more extensive use, similar to how ChatGPT operates, but you can get a lot done for free. Here we are, able to do all this within minutes, for free or minimal cost. I'm eager to see what you come up with using these tools. Whatever you build with these tools, share it in our Discord. It's an awesome way to get inspired and stay motivated. Ready to see what's next? Let's dive deeper into these tools and explore the possibilities together. Now, before we dive into the 200,000-word blog post example, let's talk about Gen 2. This tool lets you turn any image into a video. You could start with any picture, even one generated in ChatGPT, import it into Gen 2, and then transform it into dynamic video content with just a few clicks. Let me show you an example. First, I'll generate an image in ChatGPT. Let's say an AI robot image. Once I have the image, I can import it into Gen 2, where it prompts me to either crop for portrait or landscape mode. From there, I can type in specific video instructions like close up, tilt head, or even walk forward. Gen 2 will then create a short video based on that prompt, using credits for each generation, which can be purchased if you want to use the tool extensively. What's amazing is that you don't need to have any video experience. The tool includes many prompt examples, so you can experiment with different styles, camera angles, effects, or even animation prompts like make character fly. You could upload a picture of yourself, prompt it to animate your facial expressions, and Gen 2 handles the rest. Here's an example of how we use Gen 2. We upload images, add prompts, and create videos that we then use for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other social media platforms. This approach saves a ton of time. Our team takes static images, turns them into engaging videos, and uses those for content that draws in leads for our AI solutions. You can even download these videos, bring them into an editor like CapCut, and layer on your narration or captions. Perfect for content like top 3 AI tools or any engaging topic you want to promote. Previously, creating this kind of content meant filming everything manually, but now we're only limited by our imagination. If you find these tools useful and want to see more top tool or must-have tech videos, let me know. Drop a comment with a simple yes, and I'll keep these videos coming, exploring all the latest tech and AI tools I discover. All right, let's go to the next tool. This one is a Google Sheets add-on, and it's been super handy for automating content creation tasks, like turning lists into bulk prompts. Instead of manually inputting one prompt at a time in ChatGPT, this add-on lets you prompt across multiple rows, so you can generate tons of content all at once. Here's how it works. Let's say you have a list of topics in a column. Maybe something simple like dog, cat, bat. Now, instead of individually prompting ChatGPT for each one with this add-on, you can type a prompt like write a story about A and use it across the entire list. Then, with a simple formula in Sheets, it will automatically generate unique stories for each topic. You can drag the formula down to apply it across multiple rows, even hundreds of topics, in seconds. I used this method recently. Initially, I had a basic sheet with only the tool name, link, and description, but I wanted more details. So I added columns for things like tool category, features, pricing, and pros cons. Using the Sheets GPT add-on, I created unique prompts for each attribute and had it populate all those columns in bulk. It filled out everything with data, from the tool's keywords to its user ratings. Once I had this enriched data in my spreadsheet, I exported it as a CSV file, went to my WordPress site, and used the all-in-one WP import plugin to import everything. I just uploaded the CSV, mapped each column to custom fields on the site, and it generated individual pages for each tool, complete with descriptions, affiliate links, and other details. In no time, I had an entire site filled with valuable AI tools and information. Plus, the WP import plugin allows me to bulk update. So if I add more data to the spreadsheet, I can re-import and refresh the site content instantly. And here's a neat trick. I used ChatGPT to help code custom HTML templates that integrate with the plugin, making each page layout unique with all the data fields perfectly displayed. What's even more exciting? The site indexed almost immediately. With all these well-structured information-rich pages, it's already showing up in search results, even though it's a brand new domain. I can sort all these tools into specific blog lists like top free AI tools, best AI iPhone apps, etc., to create SEO-friendly content. So with just a few tools, Sheets GPT, the WP import plugin, and a bit of ChatGPT magic, I've created a fully functioning website directly from a spreadsheet. And if you want to see more tools and tips like this, drop a yes in the comments, and I'll keep sharing what I discover. So the first idea I had was to compile a master blog post with all the tools I use, combining everything into one resource. When I started, I didn't realize just how much content we had. It turned out to be over 400,000 words across 450 pages. I created a script with ChatGPT to extract all the tools, descriptions, and affiliate links from our content and compile it into one massive blog post with HTML. Here's what's amazing. You can create extensive content like this quickly, something that would have taken me or a team of writers weeks to put together before. This setup lets us generate 100,000 word or even multiple blog posts in no time. And by using tools like all-in-one import, you can schedule and drip feed content, giving you complete control over publishing. The real game changer here? Efficiency. For years, I ran a client business where we'd manually source, write, and optimize content. Now you can complete a year's worth of SEO, blog, and social media content in seconds. It's mind-blowing when you think about it. Combining this with other tools like Screaming Frog, you can quickly audit any site, extract and fill in missing elements like title tags and meta descriptions, and bulk upload them to boost SEO all in one go. And here's the kicker. You can scrape competitors' sites, reformat their content, and optimize it for your site just as fast. If you want to explore these techniques, I encourage you to check out my free system. So check it out, start using these tools, and join our community. Until next time, happy money making. See you soon.